Welcome back again to another video. So first things first, you're going to start by prepping the wool. Okay, so this is Brazil wool. You can get it at any local beauty store near you. If you're in Kenya, this here is retailing at 100 Kenya shillings, and you can get the same hair, depending on the beauty store, you can get it at 80 Kenya shillings. Okay, so I'm just wrapping the hair around the straws. So I started by cutting the wool, okay, to my desired length. So it will all depend with how long or short you want the wool to be. Okay, so after wrapping it around the straw, I'll just go ahead and take a piece again of this wool. I'm going to wrap it at the end. Okay, just look, you guys can see, okay, just to make sure that the wool is nice and secured and that it doesn't unravel. Okay, and then the next thing will be to put the wool in the hot water. So I added just a little bit of leave-in treatment in the hot water, and I let it sit up for about 2 minutes before I took it out. Okay, so right about now I'm just unraveling the wool, okay, out of the straw, and it is dry. Okay, so hey loves, welcome again to another video. My name is Jena Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. Okay, so moving on, I'm just unraveling the wool, as you guys can see, and this is how the curls are looking like. Okay, so for my braiding pattern, it's pretty much simple. So loves, moving on to the installation process, I'll start by crocheting just one strand, okay, underneath my cornrow, just like you guys can see in the video, and then after that I'll just secure it. I'm going to make like a 1 knot, okay, and then I'm going to start twisting. So I'm not doing like a twisting both both strands. I'm just twisting one strand, like I'm just turning the hair. Okay, you really don't have to like twist both strands of the extension. Okay, so I'm going to twist all the way to the very end. So loves, another important thing that I must mention is that I didn't do all this work in one day. Okay, so I took 1 day to prep the hair, okay, and I used 2.5 bundles of Brazilian wool. Okay, so that was just like it took me about 1 hour 30 minutes to prep the hair, and then the next day I did my cornrow, right? So I as I was waiting for the hair to dry. But again, you really don't have to wait until it is like all dry. You can just twist the hair the same day. But for me, that was like too much work that I wasn't really looking forward to it. So just like I've mentioned, I took 1 day, which I took like about 1 hour 30 minutes to prep the hair, to curl it around the straws, and to let it dry. Okay, of course, as you guys have seen, I dipped the hair in hot water, so that took me 1 hour 30 minutes. And then the next day I did this braiding pattern. But again, if you don't know how to braid or to cornrow your own hair, you can just have someone do it for you. You can also just go to the salon and have it done in the salon, and then after that you can just install the hair. Okay, this is the day 3. The day 1 I used it to prep the hair, and then the next day I did the braiding pattern. So this is now the day 3, which I'm installing this hair. Okay, but you can choose to just do everything in 1 day, but I feel like it will be too much work. Okay, so personally I felt it was going to be too much work, and I was not ready for that. But you can do the task just like I've mentioned. You can just take 1 day to prep the hair, and you can also do the braiding pattern the same day after prepping the hair. But for me, I wasn't really in a hurry to install the hair. Okay, so that is why I just took my time, and here I am. And love, this is how far I've come, and at this point you can call me patience. Okay, because to install this hair will have you to have enough patience, but it is all worth it, because you can have this hair for as long as you want to keep it. And again, it is a protective hairstyle because it's going to protect your hairline and your hair from breakage. You don't have to worry about your hairline breaking and all that stuff because you're doing the crochet method. So I'm going to let this video play, and I'm hoping that you're going to enjoy the remaining part of the video. So just keep on watching. I'll get back to you.
If I can't have you, who else am I?
Okay love, so I am done and this is how the hair is looking like, and I loved how it turned out. Okay, so all that hours that I took to, you know, install this hair was all worth it. Okay, I just went ahead and trim off the excess hair, and that was just about it guys for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now and take care.